The cross-sectional area of the small piston is A1 and the cross-sectional area of the large piston is A2. When a force of F1 is applied to the small piston, the pressure is transmitted equally to the large piston so that the load moves upward. Using Pascal's law, P1 equals P2. F1 divided by A1 equals F2 divided by A2. Then, F1 equals F2 divided by A hydraulic lift works using the same principle as in the previous example. The difference is the force on the small piston is provided by the air. When the hydraulic lift is operated, the high pressure air is pushed to the reservoir. The high pressure of the air is transmitted through the fluid to a large piston, so that the large piston provides a very large lifting force. This device can lift a car as high as 1.5 meters, making it easy to wash or service the underneath of the car. Hydraulic brakes use the transmission of liquid pressure to press on or press out the brake pedal. When the brake pedal is pushed in, the fluid in the master cylinder will be pressed. Pressure on the fluid inside is transmitted to a brake cylinder, causing the brake tube to be pushed, pushing a hinge attached to the wheel. The pressure on the brake tube decelerates the wheel's rotation and finally stops the wheel.
Class? That's the end of the second video. I believe you can also catch the meaning. I mean the concept presented on the video. And now it's your turn to explain or to teach your friend. Teach.
Okay. Picture we can find that first we have YouTube with a large, the first is with a large area and the second with a small area. Like in the example, if we place a car or a train maybe in the small area, we can push it up with only a few force from us. Then it have a equation as P1 equals P2, and like you see, when the P1 is F1 in glass area. If we
Which has present X in all directions. It's second word and here containing about first pressure P1 equals P2. That meaning that F1 divided by A1 equals F2 divided by A2. And the application of this Pascal law is hydraulic pump. So in car wash you always see hydraulic pump, right? That here is the air at bottom of the ground, and this is the water. When the air is pumped, the water is making the water is up. Okay, it's built as the car. And second
I think you have teach your friends well, and I understand that some of you have mastered the theory, the concept, presented in the video, and that you have taught your friends. But I want one of you to come in front of the class and explain everything from the beginning until the end of the video. Who will be the volunteer? Okay, Tika, please come forward and explain to us.
Okay friends, I'll try to give you an explanation about the video about Pascal law. Pascal law says that the pressure will move to all directions. We can see the Pascal law from this picture. This is a tube with two hands on it. In every tube, we give a piston. The small one we call the first tube, and then the large one we call the second tube. And then, if we give a force to the first tube, we call this F1. The liquid inside the tube will move this way. This is the force 1 and this is the force 2. From this phenomena, we can conclude an equation. P1 equals P2. Force 1 divided by A1 equals to A1 equals to force 2 divided by A2. Or we can say that force 1 equals to force 2 times A1 divided by A2. And then we can see this Pascal law in some daily application. The first one is hydraulic lifter. We use this hydraulic lifter to help us washing car in the washing car station. The second one is hydraulic brake. This brake usually used in automobile. Okay, that's all.
Okay, good explanation and good conclusion from Tika. Anybody want to ask question to Tika? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's give 10 figures to Tika. Okay, that is the end of the second video, and I think for today this is the end of our lesson. Maybe we can explain the more detailed concept in our next session. See you to the next session. Good morning.